Garage door opener motors are not universal. Understanding this could save you significant hassles and dangers. The heart of your garage door system lies in its motor, crucial for seamless operation. Different motor types like chain drive, belt drive, screw drive, and direct drive cater to various needs and preferences. Compatibility matters greatly. Proprietary rail systems can expose you to functionality issues if mismatched. Door size and weight play a vital role in determining the right motor for each garage door setup. Safety features like automatic reversal can fail if components from different brands are improperly integrated. Common myths about universal motors often lead homeowners astray, risking safety and functionality in their garage doors. DIY attempts to replace motors can lead to dangerous wiring mistakes and misalignments, putting you at risk. Understanding the signs of a failing motor is essential. Listen for loud noises or unresponsiveness. Always consult a professional for repairs and upgrades. Their expertise ensures compatibility and peace of mind.